Hello. So I just got back from Costco and I realized I've never done a Costco haul for you. So this doesn't include everything I always buy, but it's some stuff that I got today. And I thought you'd be interested because this is stuff I buy regularly to eat healthy. Plant-based, vegan. I make videos about healing autoimmune with food. That's what I've done. I hope it helps you. And this is the stuff I live on. So I've just come off of doing 6 weeks. Well, tomorrow I'll be coming off of the 6-week Dr. Goldner protocol, the all raw. And now I'm gonna start adding stuff back in. So I really didn't get much for that. I just got the tofu. They have a great deal on tofu. It's just this, it's a 4-pack. It was like $5 and something. So it's pretty cheap. And then I got some mushroom. I was hungry. You know when you go and you're hungry. I saw these mushrooms and I was like, oh, I want mushrooms. But I won't be eating the sauteed mushrooms until tomorrow. So I'll put some of these on my salad today. And I got baby bellas. These are really good in that blackened tofu salad that I make. And that's what I'm thinking about because that's what I'm gonna eat. And that's why I got all this tofu. Because the first thing I'm gonna have tomorrow is my blackened tofu salad. I got a bunch of these. I already put some in the freezer. You're not supposed to do that, but it worked for me. And I didn't know you weren't supposed to do it, and I did it. And because I go through this, every 2 days I go through one of these. So I gotta have supply. I can't just be running to the store all the time. So I freeze some, and that way I don't have to have the anxiety of running out. The other thing I always get when I'm at Costco is this smashed avocado. There's 2 more in the freezer. You can freeze these and always have them. So I have the fresh avocados too, because I actually prefer fresh, but you know how temperamental they are, like they're either too ripe or not ripe enough, and then you don't know what you're gonna get when you open it. So this solves that problem, to always have good avocado on hand. And sometimes I even mix the two. So I got these. These are really cheap too. They were on sale today. There's like $12 or something. They were really cheap. 16 little individual ones. They're awesome. And then I got 5 bunches of bananas because I cut these up and freeze them and put them in my smoothies every day. So I go through a lot of bananas and I try to get different stages of ripeness. Cherries. I got these dark sweet cherries. I've been making the chocolate smoothies a lot, and the cherries are really good in that smoothie, and they're really good for you. This is my everyday smoothie, is the mango. Mango, greens, little banana, ginger, every single day. So, and blueberries sometimes. I change it up just a little bit, but I never get tired of this because it's so good. This is my haul for today, and this will last me, I don't know. I can't give you a time frame because with the stuff in the freezer, it's all, I don't know. I don't know how long it'll last because it's more than 2 weeks because of the frozen stuff, but it's less than 2 weeks with this stuff. And these. So it's a good quantity of food, and I think it was pretty cheap. It was like $220 for all this stuff, plus what's in the freezer. So I think it's a great value. You know what I wanted to buy today so bad? They had hip peas. Do you know those? Those chickpeas, they're like Cheetos, but they're vegan, gluten-free, made with chickpeas. And they had them on sale for like 5 something for those giant bags. I love those. And I had to not do it because of the sunflower oil. Those things have sunflower oil. So that's inflammatory. Such a bummer. So I didn't get it. I wanted them so bad. It took great restraint to not get them. I really, really wanted those. But we gotta do what we gotta do. And I don't know. I'm just gonna have to live without that stuff. We need a company that makes the good stuff without the oils so that we can have treats too, right? Because I want the treats. So what a bummer. But I'm really grateful that they have this stuff and they have so many organic things and that it's affordable. I'm so grateful. I love Costco so much. So this is what I got, and I hope it inspires you to go out and stock up on healthy stuff. And I will be back in a little while to make my salad for you. That cruciferous salad, we're gonna make that. Okay, we're back to make a salad. I decided not to make the cruciferous salad. This is cruciferous, but it's not the cruciferous, okay? Because I realized I have some pico left and I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm just gonna do another taco salad. But I'll try to make this one. I don't remember what we put in the last one, but I know it didn't have mushrooms. Mushrooms and cauli take seasoning like this really well. And this kind of has a meaty taste. I'm not a meat person, never was a meat person, but do you know what I mean? Like it has that hearty taste to it with seasoning. So we're gonna do these gigantic, beautiful mushrooms, the rest of the pico, and then cruciferous is gonna be the cauliflower, and I've got a little broccoli too. And we got some red pepper. I wish I had cilantro. Taco salad needs cilantro, but there's cilantro in the pico, so that's good. I really like chopped herbs on my salad because they're just loaded with polyphenols and nutrition. Broccoli. I've come around with the raw broccoli. I really have. I like it a lot better than I did last year. I just really like steamed so much that it was hard to adapt to the raw, but I'm okay with it now. I still like the raw cauliflower better, but this is pretty good. And it has a really good texture. Look how pretty, oh, it's so pretty. I love that. Some of this taco seasoning, I'll link it below, on my mushrooms and cauliflower. We'll leave the broccoli out of it, okay? It smells so good. My dog, when she hears me chopping, she wants cucumber. We're gonna do a little bit of cucumber just for her and for that, but mostly for her. Recently I discovered she loves raw cauliflower, loves it. You know, before I started doing this protocol, I didn't really eat raw cauliflower. It was always cooked, and I love cauliflower, but it was mostly cooked, I wanna say, and now I really want it raw. Unless it's in soup, then it'll be okay. But I really love the raw cauliflower. You know, your taste buds and what you like can change, and it will change if you keep working at it, keep trying. I taught myself to like kale. I loved greens, but I hated kale, hated it. I knew how good it was for me, so I just kept eating it every day until I liked it. Now I love it. I think that's a topic for another video. How to make yourself like this kind of food. Because a lot of people don't. Shockingly, a lot of people don't like any of it. I can't even comprehend it because it's so delicious. Okay, avocado. Well, you know what? There's a lot of lime in here, so we're not even gonna use the lime juice. This has jalapeno, so it's a little spicy. It's really yummy. I got it because I just needed a new taste. Okay, this is our beautiful salad, and I'm gonna go eat this. And I hope you have a fabulous week. I adore you. Happy healing.